Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to make a black and white photo with colored objects. Open the picture you need in the Photoshop app. Right-click on the layer with the photo and select Duplicate Layer from the list. Choose the duplicate layer. Click on Image at the top toolbar and select Adjustments Black and White from the list. Click OK. Select the Eraser tool from the left sidebar. Change the brush size at the top menu bar. Click on the picture and click OK in the pop-up window. Erase the black and white parts of the picture you want to be in color. Resize the brush to get the smallest details. Zoom in if necessary. Take your time. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!